bit different. It's just that it says that in the Tai Sui activation, every year there will be an activation. So take note that every year there will be activation. And there will be activation of this energy that increases. So every time when we do a divination, we need to understand every chart there is an increment of energy. The question is, what is the increment? Where is the increment only? So the technical definition is one branches and one stem will increase in energy. Okay, as simple as that. Don't have to worry too much. Two boxes will increase in energy. Example, in this particular year, in the stems, there are a total of 10 different stems, a total of 12 different branches. So every year we'll have a specific branch stems also. So example, in this particular year in 2021, if you were to plot the year 2021 in your Qimen, you'll notice that the year itself is going to be Sing and Chou. Confirm one, after the February of the 4th, we will have the Sing and Chou in 2021. If you want to check, you go and open up your Qimen app or any other apps that you are using. You go and plot 2021 after the February the 4th. It will be the year of the Sing Chou year. Sing is over here, Chou is over here. So every time when you plot a chart in 2021, it will be a Sing Chou year regardless. So which means that in a year itself, it will never change. This representation for Sing and Chou will never change. That's for every year. So in the year of 2022, if you were to use the Qimen and plot a chart, put it as 2022, and then February. You were able, after the 4th of February, you're able to see the year is going to be a Ren and Ying year, Ren Ying year. Any date, you'll be Ren Ying year. Which means that in the year of 2022, the Ren increase energy, the Ying will also increase in energy. For those who are not very good in Chinese, you have to bear with it, you have to try to learn it. That means look at the English character and try to identify. Later on, I'll tell you how to go about doing it. In the year of 2023, then we have the Kui, Mao year, Kui and Mao, same thing. So if you notice, every single year there is a difference. Then 2024, which is last year, we have the Jia Chen. Jia is a hidden stem. So Jia and Chen will become a specific stem. Go through it, and then you'll notice that you'll be a Ren. Jia Chen equals to Ren. So in that year, the Ren will increase in energy. Not the Jia, but the Ren will increase in energy. And then the Chen will also increase in energy. We need to know which year increase in what energy. Okay. It is based on the 4th of February, after the 4th of February. So technically speaking, the Chinese, they call it the Li Chun. So always use the 4th of February as a form of representation. So in this year, it's going to be Yi and Si. This is pronounced as Yi, this is pronounced as Si. So this year, now we are in the year of the Yi and Si. That means every time we plot a chart in our divination, we will have to highlight that Yi box is going to increase in energy. Si box is also going to be increased in energy. Okay, so here are the important thing that you need to know. When the Tai Sui activated, meaning that that particular box increase in energy, whatever inside that box, that means inside the particular palace, that if there's an emptiness, the emptiness will no longer be there anymore. That means the emptiness will be filled. Assuming that the emptiness is there, that box is like 20–30%. Tai Sui activate in the box, that box is being filled 100%. So the emptiness no longer there anymore. But if there's no emptiness in that particular box, which means that that box itself will overflow to the opposite, and the overflow of the opposite side will increase in energy. If the other side there's an emptiness, the emptiness will also be filled. If not, then the energy of the opposite box will increase in energy. So these are the basic theories. But for some people, may be a little bit tough because it's all text and not easy to understand. So later I'll give you some example on that. Looking at this particular chart as an example, when you plot a chart, that means you ask a question. You must do one step. First step, I call this a cleaning of the chart. That means this chart itself is kind of dirty, not proper, not the real chart. So this process of cleaning up the chart is involved in the Tai Sui that we are talking about, Tai Sui activation. If you were to use this Tai Sui to clean the chart, you make the chart to be much more obvious, to tell you more things that normal people cannot see. So when I discovered this Tai Sui many years back, I realized that it's a very significant thing that we have to use, and yet it's very important. And this will increase your accuracy, usually from a normal person that reads Qimen, between the accuracy of average people will take about maybe 70% or max 75-80% if they are very good. But if you were to use Tai Sui and apply on this particular chart, your accuracy will go even 80-90% or even more. So this will have a significant effect on the accuracy of your reading, which makes you to be, I would say, more interesting. Because comparatively, if you compare side by side with other people that are able to read Qimen, your accuracy as a whole will be far, far much more accurate. So this is one of the things that we need to understand. Who draw the blue line over there? Okay, anyhow. So what happened is this. How do we see the Tai Sui? When you plot a chart, you will take note of this particular pillar. There's this words over here called the Xing. This word over here called the Chou. This here is the Xing Chou year, which is to say that Xing increase in energy, Chou increase in energy. So there are two parts. One part is Xing, one part is the Chou. We go to part one first. Xing is over here. Okay, so we know Xing has increased in energy because this year is a Tai Sui year for the Xing. Then we have to look, where is the Xing located? Xing is over here, box number 7. So literally from visual, we can see box number 7, it will have an increase in energy. This is activated. So when this is activated, box 7 is supposed to be 100% of energy. But because it's activated this year, box number 7 is doubled the energy. So box 7 increase energy, okay, box 7 activated. So the rule is this. When there is no emptiness, we will go opposite. That means the high increase of energy will overflow to the other side over here. Box 3. Okay, so it'll be something like this. The box 7 will overflow to box number 3. So this box number 3 will increase in energy. Okay, this is part 1 for the Xing. Then the other part is Chou. This word Chou is the branch. The branch cannot be located in this. You cannot see where is it. So we don't know. We don't know where is the Chou activated. That's to say, in order to find the Chou, we have to press what? You go to the Qimen, open up the app, and then let's say basing on this particular day, date, just plot. And then you just press this particular arrow key here. This arrow key here. You will see a totally different dimension of the information. And you find this word "chou." There is no English words in that diagram. There's only a Chinese character. So you need to literally find this word, this Chinese word in the "chou" inside this. You will notice that it's located in box number 8. Okay, so this box number 8, if you're able to discover, box number 8 is the one that has the "chou." So box number 8 is activated increased energy. So box 8 increased energy, there is no emptiness, overflow to the other side. And then because there's an emptiness over here, this emptiness will be filled. So basing on this logic, locate 2 boxes that are activated, see what happened to the boxes, and then from there, you diagnose. It will be something like this. So when this is activated, go up opposite to the other side. Box 3 is supposed to be 100% because overflow already, this side become 200%. Then this side activated, box 8 activated, go overflow to the other side. Box 2 supposed to be emptiness, no more emptiness. Then box 2 become 100%. Okay. Then the final information is, after I clean the chat already, I realized that box 3 is 200%. Box 2 is 100%. Supposed to be emptiness, but it become 100%. Okay, so this one we have already cleaned the chart already. So this is the process of cleaning the chart. Anybody blur already? Anybody got any question?
Master, so for the case of yeah,
Yeah, carry on.
so there is only like last year Jia Chen, there will be only one box we need to find out, which is the Ren.
Jia Chen Ren. And Chen also?
Jia
Jia Chen equals to the stem. Ren. No, Jia Chen is the Ren, right? Remember? Jia Chen is the hidden.
yeah, so need to find 3 instead of 2.
Two. Jia Chen is
Jia Chen equals to Ren, so
Ren.
Ren and Chen.
Yeah, yeah. The stem is the Ren. The branch is the Chen. As long as you understand the hidden stem, you'll be able to find where is it. Okay, we have a few questions. Any impact on the Taisui on the horse? No, there will be no impact on the horse. The horse won't run away because of the activation. Okay, Daniel asks, box 7 and box 8 still maintain 100%. 7, okay, 7 will also increase in energy basically, but I want to focus on box number 3. So basically, if I want to be very technical, box 3 is 200%, box 7 is 200%, but I just want to show you that there's an increase in energy in box number 3 due to the overflow only. Okay. Next question. Does the 24 mountain direction located? We are not talking about 24 mountain in this case. We are talking about the Chou only. The 12 different branches. Will box 8 be 200% also? In this case, box 8 will not be 200% because all the energy goes over to the other side, box 2 already. It's being fully absorbed by the box number 2. Okay, don't worry. Those people who are not so sure already, I'll still give you a few examples later on. Box 7 retain the 200% and still overflow to 3. Yes. I'll give you one more example. So no worries. Another example over here, we have this Kuei Mao here. So which means that Kui activated, Mao activated. In this case, let's move on to the other one. See where is the Kui? Kui is over here. 7 increase in energy. Then next one is Mao. Where is Mao? Look at the chart. Press the arrow key. You realize that this is 子, 丑, ying, Mao. So if you want to recite, basing on the 12 different branches, actually it's quite easy lah. It's a matter of getting used to it. So usually I do it like 子丑寅卯辰巳午未申酉戌亥. So I break the 12 of them into 4 different characters each, so that I'm able to recite is easier. So it's like 子丑寅卯辰巳午未申酉戌亥. Okay, so box 7 activated, box 3 activated. So this is a process of cleaning the chart. So when box 7 activated, it goes over here, right? This emptiness will be filled. So no longer emptiness already. So this is 100%. Part 1, the Kui. Next, the other one, we have the Mao activated in box number 3. There's a hidden Mao in this box number 3. If you cannot find it, press the arrow key over here. Press 1 time, right side. You'll be able to see there is this particular word that is hidden in somewhere here behind. That's Mao activated. So which means that it will have to overflow to the other side also. So this one, because of box number 7 activated, here close already, no more emptiness. Then, due to the activation of box number 3, it overflows to the other side also. Then in this case here become 200%. So 200%, rightfully this is 200%, but I want to give you the example on this box number 7 only. So overflow become the other side. If there is no emptiness inside, it will become 200%. So that is to say that, okay, so that is to say that this box 3 and box 7 will have the changes. Okay, ignore this box number 2. This one, box 3 and box 7. After cleaning our chart, we realize that our box 3 is no emptiness, box 7 is 200%. So rightfully, this is also 200%. But in concept, we just have to understand. Tai Sui activation equates to 2 boxes increase energy. This is called the cleaning of the chart. Just now we go through is the cleaning of the chart. Okay, gracious, there's a line in the middle. How you want to clean up the screen first? I'm finishing already, so don't need to clean up the screen. Irvin, explode already. What do you mean mostly? So sometimes there will be cases whereby even one of the box, everything overlaid together, it become very, very too much high in energy. So what does it mean by when we have all this energy increase? Example, let's say if the box 6, assuming the box 6 increase energy, the Taisui activated, and if you are looking for something related to a life door in terms of the business profitability, then the life door will times 2 because of the increase in energy. So that's the theory. Let's say if in box 2, we want to look for a job, open door is a job, then we say, okay, this year, our job opportunity is going to be times 2 or times 3, depending on what is the energy. Let's say it's empty, then open door don't have no jobs, or even the jobs are very limited. So this is how we look at it. So from the energy of the box, it tells us whatever the symbols inside, is it higher or lower? So when we decide certain things, it will be much more obvious. Okay. Okay, let's go to some case study. Before that, any question to ask? Yep.
If the energy in that chart is bad, so when you say 200% means 200% bad as well.
Yeah lah.
Okay, thanks.
So it's relative lah, depending on what is inside. If it's good, it's better. Then if it's bad, it's worse.
Got it, got it.
Okay.
Sorry, I still have difficulty finding the second one.
Second
So
one.
I mean the
Okay.
Qimen chart.
The one is Mao. Go to the this is the word, right? Mao is this very cute little Chinese character.
The app that gives us the first symbol. Okay, and then I press the right button,
Yeah.
but I can't find don't know how to find the second one.
Do you see box 3 on the left-hand side middle? You see this
sorry.
this particular word?
Okay, sorry. So I have to go back to this date.
In fact, you don't have to go to this date, and you can go to any date. Basically, it's the same
fine.
one.
So I'm on the current date, right?
Yeah.
I can't find the C. This is for this year, right? Because it's now all in English words, parallel.
We are looking at Mao over here. This is the Mao. You press the one.
Word. Yep. Okay.
No, there's no English
3.
word. There's no English word. There's only Chinese words.
Mine has English
I
words
think
though.
Bala is looking for this year, the C, the snake EC. So he's looking for C. Correct, Bala?
Oh.
Correct.
So I think
Okay.
if you look at the box at the top right-hand corner, grayish there. Sorry, I tried to explain to Bala.
The top right-hand box.
You look at the box at the top right-hand side,
which has got 8, 2, 5, 10.
Is it top left-hand side?
No, it's the top right-hand
Oh,
side.
sorry,
Top
you're right.
Top left.
Okay, got it, found it.
Got it already?
Yep, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, Master.
Got it.
So it's top left, not top right. For
Okay,
this year, basing on if you want to plot the chart now, you can, for the Si, it's going to be in the box number 4.
Box number 4, that's right. Okay,
Yeah.
got it. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
So if you notice, every year, the one that below, the branch, is going to rotate clockwise. Every year it change. So based on that, actually after a while, you'll be able to see, okay, where is the branches? It's quite predictable, because it's clockwise direction. But for the stem itself, it's quite, you have to spot it visibly. You have to find it. Okay, anyway, go back to the example already better. I think some of you might be a bit